How do you make 500,000 pesos a month on YouTube?
What is going on YouTube? Carly here. Welcome to the vlog. This is the channel where we talk about sneakers, life, and tech. And for this episode, we're going to do two things. First up, we're going to drop by Feed Your Feet Manila. It's one of those sneaker/toy stores over here in the Philippines, and we will be checking out all the new hype sneakers that they have on display. After that, we will be making our way over to Rizal Technological University or Technology University over at, I think it's like in Boni, Mandaluyong, where I will be giving a talk on content marketing and YouTube. So in that particular clip, the one that I will share with you guys, I will be sharing my audacious plan on how I plan to make $10,000 US a month or $500,000 pesos here on YouTube. So it's a crazy plan, but it's kind of backed up with math and science, so hopefully it works out. I'd love to hear your thoughts on it, if you think it will work or not. So make sure that you guys watch until the very end so that you're able to watch both the Feed Your Feet episode and then we get into the episode on the my grand plan to make like $500,000 pesos every month. So let's get to it. But before we get to that, I'm actually here at Feed Your Feet Manila, here along EDSA, and what we'll be doing is we'll check out some of the sneakers that they have for sale here. They have a lot of really good hype sneakers on display, and I just want to check them out because I haven't seen them before yet, so it'll be a nice on-hand experience to do. Let's go! So guys, we're here in Feed Your Feet Manila. What's up?
Free coffee!
Boom! So we actually just shot like 2 episodes for their YouTube channel. So I'll put the link down below to the YouTube channel of Feed Your Feet Manila. Make sure that you guys watch the 2 episodes that we did. The first one was about, what was my topic natin?
Underdogs.
Underdog, Rise of the Underdogs. And the other episode was short-term memory talaga ako, you know? Buy, flex, or sell. Ayun, so mga ganon. So make sure that you guys catch those 2 episodes on their YouTube channel and subscribe to them as well. Okay, so we're here at their, I don't know, like grill cabinet. And first up, we have the Bape Adidas Ultra Boost in the woodland camo colorway. So we have the brown, the greens. This shoe actually looks so much better in person than the pictures, especially if you take a look at the quality of the knit material, take a look at the heel cage with the white stripes. And I just like how they did the torsion system bar. They actually did it in some sort of metallic shiny gold color, but just looks pretty sick. This one they're selling for 26,500. Hindi siya 4,000. So this is size 12, so I am thinking about it, but still stuck at thinking about it. So they also have the one in black. So this one didn't release in the Philippines. So the one that released in the Philippines was the woodland camo version, the green one. This one I think you really couldn't pick up here locally. So this one they're also selling for 26,500. We also have some of the 4D sneakers. This is the newer release. This is the ZX 4000 4D. Wow, I'm not a fan of the 4D technology. I did a vlog on that. You guys can check it out down below. I'll link it in the description box as well as in the comment section. But yeah, this one actually looks nice. I like how they did the upper. I mean, maybe because I'm a huge fan of the ZX series. But yeah, among all the 4D sneakers I've seen, this is probably one of my favorite ones. Looks really nice. Apart from the 4Ds and the Bape Adidas Ultra Boosts, of course, they also have a bunch of Yeezys ranging from the 350s. You have the butter, the creams, sesames, the static, and you have the move over here, frozen yellow, and the reflective of this one. So yeah, so check it out. Most of the Yeezys are here as well. 4Ds, Ultra Boosts, everything you guys need, just check it out here at Feed Your Feet Manila. They also have a good variety of Element 87 React. So you have these 3 colorways are selling for 13,000. This one is I think at 18 something thousand, and this one is something at 14,000. So apart from the hype sneakers that I showed you guys earlier, you also have a bunch of Element React 87s. You also have like several Ultra Boosts, NMDs, and a few Air Force Ones that you guys can pick from. This one, I really want a size 13. Yeah, I got this one in size 12, but it was too tight. But I'll probably buy one from, I don't know where, but a size 13 of this one. So they also have like a bunch of Jordan 1s, some luxury goods, including leather wallet, Balenciaga. Kulang na lang yung quotation marks. So this one they're selling for a little over, I think 17,000 pesos. So goes to show how massive the influence is of Virgil Abloh with this style of design, that it reached a point where you see it on other brands as well, like that one. By the way guys, if you want to consign your sneakers and your other hype stuff, you can actually bring it here. So you guys will just have to agree on a price to sell. And yeah, just make sure that you guys drop by Feed Your Feet Manila. Rob, kawin ka naman, oh.
What's up, guys?
Because you can also buy... Oh, Rob, magbenta ka.
Yeah, I have my stuff here. Here is the chest bag version one. You can avail it here at Feed Your Feet Manila, so you can see the tag here.
So that's it for the Feed Your Feet Manila segment. At this point, I'll bring you guys over to my talk over at the Rizal Technology University in Boni here in the Philippines. But before that, I'd like to encourage all of you to subscribe to the channel because I will be announcing the mechanics of the Samsung Galaxy J4 Plus giveaway very soon. I'm still fixing it, so I can't give a date. But I will be announcing it soon, and one of the requirements is for you to be subscribed to the channel and for you to hit the notification bell. So guys, at this point in the vlog, you're already watching this deep, so please do me a favor, hit that subscribe button and share the link of this video as well on Facebook. It would really help a lot.
How do you make 500,000 pesos a month on YouTube? Okay, so how do you make $500,000 pesos per month on YouTube? Gets ko na paano? Makwento ko sa inyo paano. I took a look at my analytics and it turns out my lowest performing video will always give me $1 a month in advertising. So basta maglagay ako ng video sa YouTube at tungkol sa sapatos at magsalita ako in English, dahil search engine ang YouTube, I will make at least $1 a month sa video na yan. I now have 600 videos in 14 months. So how do you make 500,000 pesos every month on YouTube? You make 10,000 videos. Pag nagawa mo na yung 10,000 videos, what happens? Chill ka na lang. Relax ka na lang. And every month you get a check for 500,000 pesos. Sana sa Math World 2021, about 2 years, sana sa Math World 2021, imbitahin ulit nila ako, tapos ang kwento ko doon, I now have 10,000 videos. And I'm now making $500,000 pesos. Yun ang pangarap ko. When I was starting out in my career, sabi ko, gusto kong maging digital expert. Or at least, isipin ng mga tao, na expert ako sa digital. So ano ginawa ko? Gumawa ng blog about digital marketing. Tapos every time magkaroon ng issue noong 2009-2010 about social media, gagawa ko ng article, tapos itutweet ko lahat ng reporter. Kasi lahat ng reporter, itutin ko sila isa-isa. Ito sa tingin ko dyan, ito sa tingin ko dyan, ito sa tingin ko dyan. Ano nangyari? Sunod-sunod. Every time may issue, TV Patrol, 24 Oras, ANC, ako yung gagamiting resource person. In fact, just a few days ago, nagulat nga ako. Hanggang ngayon, yung interview pa rin ng ako tungkol sa Momo Challenge. So, interview ako ng TV5, CNN, at GMA about it. That's all because when I was younger, in 2009, I would write about my opinion about those things and I would tweet all the reporters every single time. So that set me up for all the interviews and all the career opportunities that I eventually ended up getting. So again, creator gets rewarded. I am also an SLH, a super lucky husband. Na-mention ko ito nung Mad World, so I'll just mention it quickly. The most important decision that you guys will ever make for your career is who you will love and who you will marry. That is the most important decision that you will make. Why? Because ako, personally, I wouldn't be able to do everything that I do kung hindi ko misis yung misis ko. Yung misis ko, to this day, we've been married for 8 years. We were boyfriend-girlfriend from 10 years prior to that. Never says bad things about me. He's seen me at my worst, but every time kausapin niyo siya, tanungin niyo siya tungkol sa akin, you will only hear the best. And at the same time, she has always been very encouraging. Never a negative word. Never niya sasabihin sa akin, hindi mo kaya yan. Hindi niya sasabihin sa akin na hindi pwede yan. Ang lagi niya sasabihin sa akin, kaya mo yan, go for it. So those are very powerful words. And most importantly, pag tulog ako, alam ko to, hindi niya sinasabi sa akin, pero narinig ko to one time. When I sleep, she actually prays for me. So that is very, very powerful. The most important decision that you guys will make for your career, and I have to say it while you are still young, is who you will marry. So to the ladies in the room, do not lower your standards. Do not. To the men in the room, matuto naman kayong i-earn ang pag-ibig ng mga babae gusto ninyong mahalin. Okay? Importante yan. Pero it also gives you that sense of responsibility na yung buhay nung magiging asawa mo, nasa balikat mo na. And that's the reason why I am so ambitious. That's the reason why I dream big. Kasi ayokong mamatay na maliit ang bahay namin. Ayokong mamatay na hindi ko nabibigay yung mga pangarap ng misis ko. Yun yung gusto kong gawin. My wife wants to see the world, then it is my responsibility for her to see the world because I am her husband. My wife wants to see the Eiffel Tower in Paris, then it's my responsibility as her husband to be able to generate the money so we can go to Eiffel Tower, we can go to Europe, we can go to things that she wants to do. So yun yung belief ko in life, and hopefully that's something you guys are also able to bring with you as well.
And that's actually it for our vlog today. I hope you guys enjoyed. I hope you learned something from my audacious plan to hit $10,000 US monthly income here on YouTube. I would love to hear from you guys on what you think about the plan. I really think it's crazy and I'm not sure if it will work, but hey, it's worth a try. Who knows? If it works, then it works. If it doesn't work, then it doesn't work. But at least I tried, right? So yeah, let me know what you guys think. Hit the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram so you can be part of the giveaway once I announce the mechanics for the Samsung Galaxy J4 Plus giveaway that we are doing on this channel. I hope you guys are all having a great weekend. Peace. God bless. What's up? You know it. Boom.